Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report. Charles Fraser on Thursday, 24th of March with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's look at the euro, and we've seen this continued slide in the euro over the past few days. Generally speaking, that's around the dollar strengthening of this, all these comments out from the Fed members. Again, James Bullard yesterday coming out being the fifth hawkish Fed member in the last few days to talk up the prospect of rate hikes coming very soon in the next couple of months, specifically possibly even April. So markets are sort of factoring this in still. The euro dollar is declining back. So the near-term outlook is negative for a correction move back towards 111 figure. That comes with this sort of break below 112, continues sort of downside move. I don't necessarily think this is going to be the beginning of a sharp dollar strengthening. That's a big big support, 111 or 110.50 to 111, big support area, and I think that ultimately it could well come back to that. But again, I'd expect that to be where the buying opportunity comes back in again, because I'm not really looking at these momentum indicators and thinking, well, that's sharply corrective. Yes, the stochastics have fallen over and arguably given a negative crossover sell signal, but I'm still quite sort of putting a lot of weight on this breakout level. 111 figure, and having broken above that and used sort of 110.50 to 111 as the base of support, pushing higher, I still give that a medium term positive outlook, even though the near term move is just corrective slightly. So we've got this move on the hourly chart. You can see the consistent run of lower highs, lower lows, moving lower. 21-hour moving average seems to be a basis of resistance as well, so you're still looking at further weakness, negative configuration across momentum indicators on the hourly chart as well. You've got in place minor pivot level 1125. Let me just put the crosshair there. 1125, old support, new resistance. Old support became new resistance, and then broken above that becomes new support. So that is an initial line of support, but 111 figure I think is that key level that you need to look out for, and then look for the buying opportunities within 110.50 to 111 if that's what we're going to get, because certainly that seems to be what we're seeing in place at the moment, this corrective move on the euro. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.